Have you ever wondered what secrets the universe is hiding from us? What if I told you that a single telescope floating 1,000,000 miles away is rewriting everything we thought we knew about the cosmos? Welcome to Twist Haven, where we dive deep into the mysteries of space. Today we're exploring the mind-blowing discoveries of the James Webb Space Telescope, the most powerful space observatory ever built. By the end of this video, you'll uncover a shocking revelation about the universe's earliest moments that scientists can't stop talking about. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's blast off into the unknown. Let's start with the basics. The James Webb Space Telescope, or JWST, launched on December 25, 2021, after decades of planning and a staggering $10 billion price tag. Unlike its predecessor, the Hubble Space Telescope, which orbits Earth at 340 miles above the surface, Webb is parked 930,000 miles away at a spot called Lagrange Point 2. Why so far? This special location keeps it stable, shielded from the sun's heat, and allows its massive 21.3-foot wide mirror to capture light from the faintest, most distant objects in the universe. That mirror, made of 18 hexagonal segments coated in gold, collects light 6 times more efficiently than Hubble's. And here's a wild fact. Webb's mirror is so sensitive it could detect the heat of a bumblebee on the moon. But what makes Webb a game changer? It sees the universe in infrared, unlike Hubble's visible light focus. Infrared lets Webb peer through cosmic dust clouds and detect light that's been traveling for over 13 billion years, almost back to the Big Bang itself, which happened 13.8 billion years ago. This means Webb is essentially a time machine, showing us galaxies, stars, and planets as they were when the universe was just a cosmic toddler. In its first year alone, Webb captured images of over 700,000 objects, from distant galaxies to nearby exoplanets, generating 50 terabytes of data. That's enough to fill 10,000 high-end laptops. Let's dive into some of Webb's most jaw-dropping discoveries. First up, the deepest image of the universe ever taken. The SMA CS0723 galaxy cluster. Released on July 11, 2022, this image covers a patch of sky the size of a grain of sand held at arm's length. Yet it reveals thousands of galaxies, some as old as 13.1 billion years, formed just 700 million years after the Big Bang. One galaxy, nicknamed the Sparkler, is surrounded by tiny dots, star clusters that might be the earliest building blocks of galaxies. Scientists estimate this cluster's light traveled 9 billion years to reach us, bending through gravitational lensing, a phenomenon where massive objects warp space-time to magnify distant light. This image alone shifted our understanding of how galaxies form, suggesting they might have assembled faster than we thought. Next, Webb turned its gaze to exoplanets, worlds orbiting other stars. In August 2022, it captured the first clear image of an exoplanet called HIP 65426b, a gas giant 7 times larger than Jupiter, located 385 light-years away. But what's crazier is Webb's ability to analyze exoplanet atmospheres. Take WASP 39b, a hot Jupiter 700 light-years away. Webb's instruments detected carbon dioxide in its atmosphere, the first confirmed CO2 signature on an exoplanet. This planet, with a surface temperature of 1,600 degrees Fahrenheit, orbits its star every 4 days. By studying its chemical makeup, scientists found hints of water vapor and sodium, suggesting it could have formed farther from its star before migrating inward. This discovery opens the door to finding habitable worlds, as Webb can detect biomarkers like oxygen or methane in smaller Earth-like planets. Now let's talk about star formation. Webb's images of the Carina Nebula 7,600 light-years away revealed stellar nurseries, regions where stars are born. One image, dubbed the Cosmic Cliffs, shows glowing gas clouds sculpted by the radiation of young stars. These stars, some 50 times more massive than our Sun, blast out jets traveling at 1.2 million miles per hour. Webb's infrared vision unveiled hidden baby stars still cocooned in dust that Hubble couldn't see. In another region, the Orion Nebula, Webb spotted 42 pairs of young stars with planet-forming disks, each disk spanning 2 billion miles across. These findings suggest that planetary systems like ours might be more common than we thought, with over 60% of stars potentially hosting planets. But Webb isn't just about pretty pictures. It's rewriting the history of the universe. In 2023, astronomers using Webb found 6 massive galaxies that existed just 500 to 700 million years after the Big Bang. Each galaxy contains about 10 billion stars, roughly the size of our Milky Way, which has 100 billion stars. This was shocking because models predicted galaxies this big shouldn't have formed so early. One galaxy, CEERS 93316, is the most distant ever confirmed, with a redshift of 16.7, meaning its light took 13.6 billion years to reach us. This discovery challenges the standard model of cosmology, suggesting the early universe was far more active than we imagined. Webb's also giving us clues about our own cosmic backyard. In 2022, it captured stunning images of Jupiter, revealing its auroras, rings, and moons in unprecedented detail. The planet's great red spot, a storm twice the size of Earth, showed wind speeds of 400 miles per hour. Webb even detected a faint ring system around Jupiter spanning 140,000 miles wide that's usually invisible in visible light. Closer to home, Webb studied the asteroid belt Psyche, a metal-rich asteroid 173 miles wide, revealing traces of water molecules. This supports theories that water on Earth might have come from asteroids billions of years ago. So what's the shocking revelation we promised at the start? Webb's data suggests the universe might be twice as old as we thought. In 2024, a study using Webb's observations proposed that the Big Bang might have happened 26 billion years ago, not 13.8 billion. This theory, based on the size and maturity of early galaxies, implies that dark energy, the mysterious force driving the universe's expansion, might behave differently than we thought. If true, it could rewrite every astronomy textbook. But not everyone agrees. Some scientists argue these galaxies are smaller than they appear, magnified by gravitational lensing. The debate is heating up, and Webb's next observations might settle it. What's next for the James Webb Space Telescope? In 2025, it's set to study the TRAPPIST-1 system, 40 light-years away, which has 7 Earth-sized planets, 3 in the habitable zone. If Webb detects oxygen or methane in their atmospheres, it could be the first evidence of alien life. Imagine that, a signal from another world, Until then, Webb will keep peering into the past, uncovering secrets that challenge everything we know. So what do you think? Is the universe older than we thought? Or are we just scratching the surface of its mysteries? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Hit that like button and subscribe to Twist Haven for more cosmic adventures. The universe is calling. Let's explore it together.